This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, I wonder, but if like that, Anita, she will also upload. That I don't know, right? Because the Java, like as we agree, is already officially finished, right? Like
Yes, yes, if you want, she will agree. Not a problem, Mike. It's like 1 or 2 classes, right? That don't worry more officially. Not a problem.
yeah, sure. Well, I think so. I think so. But yeah, so I think it won't like take a lot of time. Let's try to finish it like as soon as possible. Yeah, sure.
Fine, not a
Uh,
problem.
yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, and so if it take more time, like I can create a session for that. There is no issue, because the
Okay.
thing is, it's because for me, that's why I would like to complete it, because it will be useful for my like a current situation. That's why I spend so
Okay.
much energy for it. Even
Okay.
with Kuma, I was spend a lot of time to look into this.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, maybe can I share my screen to you now? I already prepared something.
Okay. Yes, Mike, you can.
What I should. I think I need you, maybe Suya, to give me the presentation. I think, like, then I can share.
Okay. Yes.
Sure.
I have that option somewhere.
Yeah, no rush. I mean.
Okay. Okay. Now just try once.
Okay, I will try. No, I think the share screen button is like disabled now.
Okay.
I think because even before, because I think we never we seldom use it. That's why.
Yes. Yes. So before also, I have made you as a presenter. So
Yes,
as
yes.
I had an option here,
Yeah.
but I cannot able to find it.
There are no issue. Because this is like our like first time for this. Like, because I also need to give you the control, basically. Like, it's like because yeah, we may this the first time we we face something new. It will take a little bit of time.
Yes, yes. But I was like wondered, it was there here, like once I made for you, but now I
Yeah,
cannot see that. That's what I'm looking at.
sure.
If I have, so I'll share my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen,
Yes, yes. You
but
can see.
yes.
Yes, options. Uh, okay.
Okay, seems working.
I think you can able to share now. Just see.
Yeah, yes, about good, perfect. Yeah, you can see my screen now, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. How can you request for a control? I think there is a
So,
button you can request for a control, and I can give you that.
okay. Request for the control. Okay, I cannot able to find that request for control option. So, meanwhile, you just tell me if there is a required, we'll see.
Okay, sure. Yeah,
I can
sure.
help you without taking the control also.
Okay, we will try. Okay, sure. Okay, let me print. Okay, so I will show you. So you can see, right? So this is the site I sent you, right? You remember, if you remember. Okay, so this is the guidance we need to follow. And what I did, so I already downloaded Tomcat, this one. You can see Apache Tomcat 9.m9, this one. It's .es. And I downloaded this one, and also what I did, I downloaded, you can see this guy, Derby, sorry, no. I'm sorry, here, this one, what it mentioned, what I should do, this one, download the Derby JPEG stuff for Tomcat zip. So this one I also did that. I will show you. So yes, this one, you can see I have this one downloaded. And another one is Apache Tomcat 9, this one, this guy. Yeah. So, and for another thing, also I will show you what I did. Just if you can see, it's good. So I also, yeah, in this server, this is a Windows 2012 2012 R2 server. This is the server, one of the server I have. So also in this server, dedicated server, I also, you can see I downloaded the JTK 8. Yes, JRE and JTK also, yes. So, but the Apache Tomcat, I didn't do the install. I just downloaded the exe file. And yeah, basically that's what all I have for now. So, and also I'm not sure, should I download the Tomcat 10? Because here it mentioned Apache Derby, where it mentioned the Tomcat 10. I couldn't find Apache Derby version. No, not this one. Yeah, I'm not sure if like a 9 should be fine. That's also my question.
Like Derby, what version you are using?
Derby?
Yes. So what happens? There will be some compatibility issues. What happens? So Derby is the one that exe you will be adding it to the as per my understanding to the Tomcat, right? So
yes.
Some version of
Yeah, good question. But I think I haven't downloaded the Derby. I haven't the Derby. I didn't do that. No.
okay.
Like yes, like so. At this point is what I have done. I didn't go any further. So yeah, in this case, what should I like? Should I start? I should install a Tomcat first and then download the Derby, or like.
Okay, give me a minute. I have to go to the documentation.
Yeah, sure. No issue. Sure. Where is the? I think it's this one, right? No. Resource.
So you have Eclipse also, right?
No. I don't have Eclipse.
So like you are executing Java programs in Eclipse only, right?
Yes. I in Eclipse the program. Yes, I think it's in yeah. If like because Eclipse, it's not like a big issue. Like Eclipse, I can do it like now, or like I can do it by yeah.
Okay. Already before you had Eclipse, right? So for example, Java programs you showed me in Eclipse only, right? So you uninstalled that Eclipse.
But that you are right. But the thing is, I have another server. I have two servers. The other server I already have the Eclipse, but this one I haven't done that. But I can do it. Like
Okay, you're talking about other system or something like that?
Yes,
or?
yes. I have two server. What I showed you is is one of my is actually it's my own system. You know, I have my own laptop, and I have another two server. I have three systems, and
Okay, three
this
lakhs.
is
Fine,
yes,
fine.
three systems. And this one you can see this is one server I have. You can
Okay,
see
okay.
here. Yeah, yeah. So for this one, this environment, for this lab, I haven't done the Eclipse. Yeah, but because now you know, even I'm not sure like at this point what I should do first, or I should do to download the Eclipse now or after I complete Tomcat and Derby, and that's why
Yeah.
I
So first download Tomcat, actually Apache Tomcat, extract that AR and download that Apache Tomcat.
yes, it's here. You see, the
Ah,
nine version should be good. Like
yes, yes. Try to download it.
so I double click it for now. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. So you can see clearly, right? I click on
Yes.
next.
Next, and try to finish that.
And this one, I should
Don't
have
change.
full.
Okay, don't change anything. Normal is fine. Don't change anything. It could be
Next, okay.
next. So just try to download it. Everything is fine. Don't change the port numbers and don't change anything.
But my question, like here, I should give some, you know, I should change this, like rules. I should add some rule. I should give username and password. I don't do anything because why I ask you, Suya? Because later we need to deploy application, right? That's why I'm asking. Do I need here we give some credentials, or it's fine for now?
So generally, I have for the deployment, it is not. So it depends actually. So I have worked with this, right? So I have not given this administration login user and password. So if you want, you can give that. That's not a problem. So whether
Actually I don't want because that's why we connect because I'm not sure if we need it or not. If we don't need, I will. I don't. I mean keep it as
ah,
blank. It's okay.
it's like deploying in your system. It's like a for your practice only, right? Nothing you're going to
Yes.
do, right?
No, nothing. Because you know later we need to deploy the Derby. We need to deploy this application. That's the
So,
only concern I have. If
so
uh,
it's not required. So it's like for your practice only, right? So it's not like an application one or something, right? So it is not required.
okay, if it's not required, I don't want to. Actually, I don't want to give extra things. If it's optional, for me, I don't want to put more things. I
Yes,
want to
yes,
keep it as simple. So
yes,
in this case, I just click on next. Okay.
yes,
Okay. And here it detected automatically JRE. I don't need to change anything, right?
yes. Don't change
And
anything.
okay, I click on next. Okay. So now just install.
Yes, install.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Actually, you know, I watched some video for how to install and configure Tomcat, but even like that, I'm not sure. Like that's why I would like to discuss with you. So
Okay.
so here I should run it now or later. Just
Oh, just a minute.
sure.
Uh, so it's not required. Like we will just finish it. That's it. We'll run it later. Point of time.
So
It's
here
not.
I will uncheck, right, and just click on finish.
If you want, just start the server. Anything is fine. If you want to, anything is fine.
Okay, I will finish just for now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now what's the next? So it seems Tomcat 9 we already installed, right?
So go to the C Pro. So 1 minute.
Sure.
I was seeing that document.
Yes. Do you need me send you the link again?
No. I have already in my mail, right? So I got it.
Okay, that's good. Let me also go back to that page. Yes, this one.
So you just unzip that the Derby thing.
Now to download the Derby.
Ah, yes, yes. So it was zipped, right. So the Derby was zipped, right?
Derby. Yeah, we need to download the Derby. You are right. But from here, should I click on this download here?
No, no. Already you have downloaded the Derby thing, right? Derby database thing, right? In your desktop, I saw. If you see the command, so
Yes,
you
yes.
have.
But that one, I think that one is the sample application. I think this one. I can show you. You are right. This one. This is not the Derby database. This is the sample application. You can see JPEG store for Tomcat. Derby
Okay.
JPEG store. You see?
Mm.
Or I don't know. Like you see, seems this is the sample application, not the Derby itself. I'm not sure, or if it is the whole thing.
You just go to the documentation itself, Mike. I'll
Go to the this one, right?
documentation. So if you come up, so if you, let it be here itself. So can you come down? So
Come down.
required
Okay.
required software. So
Yeah.
you are saying that to download Tomcat as well as there be GPS stored Tomcat zip file, right? So
Yes.
now you have downloaded Tomcat, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
when you have downloaded this Derby zip store file Tomcat zip, that was there in your what you see desktop. This is what
Yes.
this is
Yes.
in your desktop, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so if you see what they are saying, move this file into the Tomcat directory work, right? So if you
Mm.
come down, they are how they are telling to do the setup. So if you see extract the database. So if you see stop the server, like already our server is in stop state.
Mm.
So extract the database zip file and deployment files. So if you unzip this, what happens? We'll be getting this we'll be getting a zip file, right?
Mm.
And we need to place that. We need to place in this Tomcat home, and so install the Derby database system and move the derby.jar. So we have that derby.jar, right? You can copy
Mm.
that. If you unzip it, you will be getting the derby.jar. So what I understood, you just we need to copy this derby.jar file and move to the common directory Tomcat home lib folder.
Okay. Okay. So now actually we have everything already downloaded.
Yes, yes. So just
Okay.
unzip.
So now I come back here. I just extract it, right? To unzip
Yes,
it.
yes, yes. Extract that.
Okay. I will do it now. Okay. Right.
Yes,
Okay. So now I have this, right? So I open this then.
I was not saying yes. Please just a minute.
Sure.
So you have a Derby jar, right? Derby executable jar. So copy the jar at that second one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Copies. Yeah.
Go to the C programs. So where you have installed your Tomcat C program files. I think so. You have Apache Tomcat, right?
Foundation.
Uh,
This one.
yes, open that.
Okay. Tomcat. Yes. 9.
Yes, open that. You have common folder here. No,
In the library. This one, I think, right? You can see, huh?
the path you can see here. So what the part they are saying in Tomcat home.
I think Tomcat home is this one. Tomcat home is this guy.
Common lib. Okay. Which one you're saying? Okay.
I think it's this one, but I couldn't find the comment.
Yes, lib folder. Open the lib folder.
Okay.
Paste that jar in this.
So paste right now, right?
Yes. So you see there are a lot of jars that you have.
Yes. So you see we have the Derby jar right now. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have pasted the Derby jar. So
yes.
What is the next step? So after placing this Derby jar, set up the JTBC database, unzip the database from Dubify and move the database directory to the tree to Tomcat home. Set up JTBC database. So they are telling you again to set up you JPIT store database. Give me a minute. A global data source will define number for so open this Derby thing, whatever you install, JPIT stored database. You have something like that?
Can I close this one now, or you want to keep me to keep it this one, this page?
That one is fine. That one is fine. I just want you to go to the Derby thing.
Okay, I just minimize it.
You want extracted the Derby, right?
Yes. I think this page you are asking, right?
Yes.
This one, right? Derby JPEG store DB. This one.
Yes.
Okay. What should I do?
That one they are asking to set up the unzip the database from Derby file and move the database directly to tree to Tomcat home. So unzip that and move that to the where you have Tomcat. So
unzip from here right now?
Yes. So unzip that and move that to the Tomcat location where your Tomcat is having, right? So move that.
Sorry. Okay, so now I just first step I extract this. Okay.
Extract this. After extracting it, so you just you are extracting directly here, right?
Now it's here. Yeah.
Okay. Copy that.
Copy the housing from copy from here.
Yes.
Okay. Copied. Yes.
Go to the Tomcat one where you have a Tomcat home, right? So paste in that Tomcat home.
Paste here, right here.
Okay. Yeah, just a minute.
Sure. Tomcat home is here, I think.
Okay, they are asking you to so paste it here itself. We'll see if any changes.
Yes, you can see.
Yes. So you can go back to the slide and see what they are telling. So if you see what we have done that you can read that point, right? Set up the JDBC database, unzip the database from this and move that to the database directory tree to Tomcat home. This is what the step we done. You can able to see, right?
Yes, database directory. Okay, yes. That's I think directory tree is this one, right? I think.
Whatever we moved is correct only, right? It is before common and lib.
We moved. Yes, we moved here. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So
okay.
after
After that,
a global database is defined in the server dot. A global database is defined in the server.xml configuration file, and save the copy of the current server configuration file and add the location of the location and the definition of the global name resource as well, or the simplicity located in the end of the global name resources. And add the following lines, just like just like about. So if you open global naming resource, so you found any global, you open server.xml and see you can find this. You can go to this Tomcat home config and server.xml.
this one, config, right?
Yes, yes. Open server.xml. So you don't have server. Yes,
This one,
server.xml. Yes, yes.
this one, right? Open it.
Yes, yes. Open with edit place or something.
So no, not like this. Sorry. Edit, right? This one.
Okay. This is server.xml, right? So maximize that. Yes. Can just search with this what they're telling, global naming resource. Do you found any global naming resource?
Oh, here you can see this one. You can see my screen, right? Here you are talking here. Global naming resources is this one.
Yes, yes. So here what you do, you have some database connection, right? So resource name something you have, right? So
yes,
you have
here.
opened that. So
This one.
yes. So similarly, what you need to paste, you can go to the your
Page.
that your
Home page.
what
Here.
this one. So you can see that resource name and everything, right? You can similarly copy paste that the resource name and everything.
This one.
Yes, yes.
Control C. Okay. So now come back to the
Yes. So
you mean to replace this whole part?
No need of replace. After that you can place.
After this or before? Here.
Yes, yes. Anything is fine. You can.
Like this.
Yes, yes.
I just adjust it a little bit to make sure this is
Make sure
seems
that
line.
tag is closed properly. Make sure that the resource tag is closed properly.
Resource
And
tag is like this. Okay.
come down. Can you come down? Okay, I cannot able to. Or I zoomed it. Fine. Okay. Everything is fine.
It's good now.
Yes. So after that, just start the Tomcat and the manager console. Start the Tomcat and open manager console in the browser. URL for the default installation. Apply a valid username and password to access the Tomcat web browser screen. Okay. Scroll past the application with the session. Deploy the directory or var file located on the server. So now you just start the Tomcat. So it was the set. They are saying the set. Start the Tomcat and the manager control.
Okay.
Start the,
So now I just save this, right? Closely. Can I close this XML file now?
yes, yes.
So I just save.
Uh,
Okay. So now I saved. So now what I should do? Start the Tomcat.
yes, yes. So you can use this HTTP. They are using some supply. This one. Try to use this and start. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Even
yeah. I got your point. You mean now to use the how to say, the website to start it, right? That's your point.
yes.
Like this, I think. Oh no, I think I should start Tomcat first. Then I can go to this site.
Yes. So try to start with this. Actually, try to hit that URL. Machine name. So here your machine name should be your, I think your local host.
I think I can start from Tomcat. I can start from here, from the console, I think.
Okay, try to start.
Yeah. So Tomcat. Sure. Please. Where? Let me see where I can start my Tomcat. Tomcat. Oh, okay. I know. Just give me one moment,
Okay,
please.
try to do this. Otherwise,
Yes, I think I can start from here. Tomcat. I think it's this one, right?
okay, anything is fine. You can start from the browser itself.
I think now it's, you see, it's starting.
Okay.
Apache Catalina startup, Catalina start server startup in. Oh, I think it's already started. Yes. You see. So now, if I go to the site, we should be able to see the console, the Tomcat console. Why?
Remove that HTTPS. Yes, remove HTTPS. Just keep HTTP only, not HTTPS. Try to keep only HTTP. Now hit it.
Yes, good. You see? If you see, you successfully installed Tomcat, congratulations. Okay. So
go
now,
to manager.html. Go to 80 manager. So yeah, after 808,
this one.
in the top, I'm talking URL, right? In URL.
Okay.
In URL itself, type manager. After that, manager.
This one.
Yes, manager hyphen HTML. I have sent you some HTML.
Hyphen.
Not a hyphen, backslash. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. This like this.
Yes, HTML.
Like this.
Yes.
And enter.
Yes.
You see it asking me something, credential.
We have not given any credentials, right? The server asking you.
No, we haven't.
So just try to press OK. Okay. Should not be asking. We have not given any credentials, right?
Yeah, sure. We don't give any. You are right. We didn't give any. Like how to say, any like username and password.
Okay.
Or I don't know. Like should I like yeah, I'm not sure this part. Like, should I run it as admin? I don't know. When I start Tomcat, should I run as admin, or I think I even like I tried that even, but I still get this. I'm not sure, but I think I tried that.
Okay. Whenever you are not giving that, like installing itself, you have not given, right?
Yeah, this part I actually I don't have any idea, like because I don't know, like because I didn't give the credential at the setup, or I'm not sure, or even I give it, it's still asking me for it. Like.
Just a minute, I'll be even checking.
Sure.
So if you don't give any credentials, I think it is going to take some default credentials. That's what I'm saying. Type username admin.
Like this?
Yes. And password is password.
Like this?
Yes. So
click on OK, try it.
Yes.
No.
Try admin.
Put as a capital. This one.
Small itself. Small a itself.
Yeah.
Give admin both.
Oh, you see.
What it is saying? Or unauthorized
You are
to
not authorized to, if you have not changed any configuration file, please examine the file config Tomcat users.xm in your installation. The file must contain the credential to let you use it. Oh, okay. I think maybe here in this Tomcat user, the file will contain the credential to let you use this one. For example, to add the manager GUI, manage GUI role to a user named Tomcat with the password of this guy, adding the following to the configuration file listed above, rule like this. Oh, I maybe like it asks we can change here. You can see it's a little bit small, this word.
Yes, you are not authorized if you are not changed any configuration files. Please examine the config dot in Tomcat. We have users.xml. So in config you will have users.xml. That file must contain the credentials you let you in the app in. For example, manager dot to add manager to role as a user and name Tomcat with the password. The following will be listed: role name, manager, and user. So we need to give like this. I think you also got it right.
Yes,
So
yes,
that
I think
password we
so.
need to give.
Yes, so now I think we should stop Tomcat at the first, right? What do you think?
I think okay, we can stop and start it again, or
Yeah.
I'm not sure whether it will without stopping it will be working or not. I'm not sure even. So just without stopping, try to add it and see. Okay, otherwise you need to I think we need to stop it, because whenever we change again, it will
Yeah, I
read.
think you are right. So now I just close this one to stop Tomcat first, right?
Yes, close the Tomcat server.
Okay. Okay, I think now it's closed. So now I go to go to the, not this one, I close it. So now we go to the here, I think, right?
So in config, they're saying in
No, not
Tomcat,
being this.
config.
Where is this one?
Yes, config. So you have context.xml, right? What they are saying, user context.xml or something,
This
right?
one? Tomcat
User.
user is this guy or this guy? XML, this one. Tomcat user is this guy?
You close that browser or still it is there?
Okay.
It is saying go to tomcat users.xml.
Yes, it's this one. This one.
Tomcat users, yes.
Editor.
So
Maxima.
here you can find the tag. Just go to that browser and search for the tag. You can find it, how to add it. In browser itself, you can just go and so they're asking, you can copy that role. For example, add the manager guy role as a role to a user named Tomcat.
Username named.
Yes. So username is Tomcat and password is. So you should have that manager tag here. If not, just add it, the whole content.
So can I change this one to this to that? It's okay. Can you see?
Give me a minute. I am getting. So what you are asking?
If you can see here, can I just change this row one to the manage GUI?
Don't. So if you see, note by default, no user is included in the manager agree role. You found manager agree.
No,
Okay.
the point is I cannot find the manage GUI.
So if you see, there is some note by default, no manager, no user is included in the manager role included to operate the manager.html web application. If you wish, you just define such as the username and password at the attribute. It is strongly recommended that you do not use the username commented out session. And since related examples web, so declare that manager agree, right? So you are not finding that manager agree, right?
No.
So
can you see? Actually, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Here, you can see I found something here.
Give me a minute. Sorry.
I mean I highlight the part you can see.
I have zoomed out, so what I can see Apache Tomcat Apache organizer.xml Tomcat users that you are telling, or before or after. I cannot see.
Oh, you cannot see.
It may be the resolution problem actually.
Yeah,
Because
there is no issue. I can type to you. There is no issue. I can. Just give me one. Yeah, you can. Can you see? This is what I found.
okay, role name equals to Tomcat. Username. It was commented, right?
Sorry.
It was commented, right?
Yes, it's commented. Yes.
So this is different from that whatever we see it, right? So don't worry about this. This is different from whatever we see in the browser, right? So you can just copy that whole and paste it here. I feel. You can copy that entire thing. So you don't find a role name as manager GUI. That role name you didn't.
No, there is nothing for there for sure. There is nothing like a manager GUI.
Yes. So paste there actually.
So paste the whole thing, like role name, manage GUI, and the username, Tomcat password, S3, and the rules equals to manage GUI, right? To pass
Yes.
the copy this whole thing.
Yes.
Okay. And then put where? Put
Somewhere like in after the comment, anywhere is fine. So just down.
okay. Let me. Okay, I pasted.
Okay, even I cannot see where you paste because of that resolutions. So, if you want, you can change that username and password. So they have given Tomcat and like that, right? So
I
you
will
just
give Tomcat like Tomcat as password. Also, it will be easy for us.
give your own username and password. Change that
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah. I will go Tomcat and Tomcat.
Okay. So save it and try to start your application and again, and we'll see whether you can able
Okay,
to open it or not.
sure. Okay. So now I just save it. Just give me one moment, please.
Okay.
Okay, I saved it now. So now I will restart, right?
Uh-huh.
Go to the bin folder. So now I will start again. Okay, so now it's launching. Just wait a little bit.
Okay. So please go to the same location again.
Yes.
Manager.x.
Yes, I know. Apache Catalina startup in yes. So now it should be start again. So now I go here again. Okay. It asks me also. So now I will give Tomcat and Tomcat. You can see.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. Works. Suya. Good news. You see?
Yes. Yes. So the
So it
place.
works. Yeah. Okay. It works.
Okay.
It works. Great.
Okay. So you can see the same thing in your go to the XML,
Yeah.
not mail.
Okay. I was very worried here actually.
So here you got that view, right?
So
So
this
there is
one. And the manager console start Tomcat and open manager application in a browser. So this one will supply a valid username and password to access Tomcat web application manager screen. So now this one will also completed.
yes. So there is a
So
last step that you need to deploy that.
so now
So
what should deploy the Jmeter store application scope pass the application is to the deploy directory or located on the server, enter the following information. Okay, so now what we should do?
yes, you need to for that deploying actually. So
Just
you
here?
can yes. So I don't know where you have that bar file. So whatever you want to deploy, so that application you will have, right?
Yes.
So deploy that application. That's it, right? So it will be deployed.
So
To this.
now I just type list. So just give me one moment. So here context path for Jmeter store. This is optional. XML communication file work Jmeter store. Type like this. I don't know.
Application name. So
I should give this here like just you can see now, right? So here there
actually you will have so you said that you will have some application, right? So deploy that application. So I don't know what application you have. So now what we have done, we have a Tomcat server. So to that server we have added a database also. We have done that configuration. So
okay.
for the server, what you deploy some var files, some var file you will be deploying it. So this is what you told me, right? So you should be having some var file for this application, whatever the application that you want to deploy it, right?
Yes, the thing is I only have this Derby JPEG store. Like I will open this.
Ah, so this
There
is
is
what this is what
file.
this is what we install it, right? So
Yes. You are talking about this one, JPEG app.war. Is this one?
no, I'm not talking about that. So this is nothing to the database, right?
Yeah.
So this is your database, Mike. So what happened? You will have a server, Tomcat server, right? So that server, what you deploy, you will deploy an application, some
Yes.
Java application or some Python application. That's what you will deploy it,
Yes,
right?
I agree. Yes.
Here for that application we will before deploying we'll have a we'll add a database configuration. So for that, so server will add a database. So for Tomcat server, what database we have added? We have added Derby database. Now we have done that configurations for that, right?
Yes.
So now if you go to that UI, so that HTML UI, you can go. So here, if you see what they are telling you to context path and XML configuration path, var or directory URL. So this is the one that you deploy. Like for example, I have a Java application. That Java application, I will do that Java application. I will do a var and I'll deploy. That's it. So I don't know you have that application or not.
Yes, I have. That's that's what I'm telling now. Like the application we have it, which is exactly called JPEG Store. This one, JPEG Store app. This is the application. You can see.
Okay.
This is the exactly the application JPEG Store app. You can see.
Okay.
And this is exactly the Y file. If you can see it, JPEG Store app.war.
Okay. Click on the deploy button, start the application, check the messages session, check the messaging session of the confirmation, successful deployed application in the context of in all application, you click the application name in the path and open it. Okay. Uh, message section for the confirmation of you just try to add application name and this app XML config.
So my question here is because there is a WIRE file to deploy. You can see, right?
Yes.
Select the WIRE file to upload. So my question is here. I can just let's say I can just simply to select this WIRE file and that's it. You can see I selected it, or I should type to fulfill these fields also.
You just go to the UI actually UI. So not UI. You just go to the that mail, whatever you send me the mail, right? You just go there.
Oh, okay. So go here.
So if you see context path, what they are giving JPEG store. So give that same name. So that's an optional context path.
Yeah.
Right. So and after that XML configuration URL, what they are doing. So this work hyphen JP store XML, right? So I think the work is a folder for them, right? So for you also just go to that particular you can see this JPG store app.gpl XML in your what I can say this one you can just go to the Derby one. In Derby, I think you can see that. This is the Tomcat, right? Go to the Derby. You can Derby before one, whatever you got is right. Yes.
This one.
Derby database. Yes. Yes. Not database. Derby main one. Whatever you install.
The
Not,
main.
not
What?
I'm
Not here.
not database. You got this Derby DB from Derby, right? Whatever you install.
Sorry. Yes. This one. You are talking about this one, right?
So here you find that Derby store app context.xml, what they have told you.
This one? JPEG store GBL.
You can see that name. So I cannot. JPT store app GPL.xml, right?
Just give me, so JPEG store app GBL XM. Yes,
Yes.
this one GBL. Yes, this one. Yeah.
Yes. So that work is nothing but the path actually. I think so. The var are located on the server. So give that XML file.
Give the path for this, right?
Yes. So it is under work. So it is under work. So
But now this one is at the desktop. I'm not sure. That's why. It's a bit tricky here. Yeah, I have this, but now this one is on the desktop.
Okay. Go to the back of this. So like where you install, go to the back. So where this is present.
Actually, no. It's not. It's in the Tomcat 9. I don't have this. You see?
No. Don't worry about Tomcat 9. Don't worry about Tomcat 9.
Okay. Don't know. Okay. So here, this one, right?
The Derby, right? So go back for this. Where it is there? Go back.
It's on the desktop. You can see desktop.
Yes, on desktop.
Yeah.
Try to keep this everything in some folder C or D or some some location. That entire Derby thing.
Okay. So you mean I should let's say I should go to the program files to create a folder for it?
Yes, you can create here also, not a problem.
Okay. Yeah. I can do that. Yes. No, there is no issue.
So actually this everything is there under Derby JPT for Tomcat, right? So copy that folder itself. So you just go back. Okay, why it is going to program files? I think you can give a control then. You are coming back again to this program files, right, Mike? So
yes.
I'm telling you, you have installed the Derby. Where you install it? You install it, right? So the Derby.
Install in the Tomcat. I copied the Derby.
No. You can in Tomcat you copied only Derby.db. So this Derby.database came from main folder Derby, right?
Yeah.
So
yes. The main one is on the desktop. I didn't put it anywhere. It's here.
Okay. So that's what. So copy this Derby Tomcat, right? So in desktop you have a folder called Derby JPDA store Tomcat, right?
Yes.
So this is the folder. In this folder you have all this, right? So
yes.
Copy that top folder to C programs. That's it. I'm telling you.
Okay. No. Sorry for that. I got to know. Copy
Copy
this one, the whole thing to the C drive here, or put into the programs. Just copy here.
Program files. Keep it in program files. Nothing happens.
Okay. So now I can copy it, paste, right?
Yes.
Yes. You can see now it's okay.
Yes. Open that and select that path and paste it in XML, this path.
This one, right?
Yes, up to here with an XML.
Yeah, this one.
It's a, so a dot, you write that XML. I think you can.
I got you. It's like a list path, right? You are asking list path.
Yes.
This one, right? Exactly this one.
Yes, yes.
This is a path. Put here, right?
Yes. Even there. ಆವತ್ತೋಡು ಭಯ So here, so similarly here deploy that var actually. So I am not sure whether you need to enter this path or XML configuration file URL. Mike, can you hear me?
Yes, 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 sir.
Even I'm not sure whether you will be giving this entire path or you will give only that XML. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Try to do both. Try to give it one path. If not, give that entire path. I think we'll give XML only. I'm not sure that.
Okay. So here program files. I just do and Derby Jmeter store for.
I'm not sure. It's like a trial and error. I'm not sure whether you'll give entire path or only this one. So deploy similarly, add that var and so this var, right? I think you can able to understand from here, right? So add this var and try to deploy it, and I think it will be started. I think this is what you are expecting. After adding the jar, you come down, just deploy and browse it. It was done, right? So this is what you are expecting, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So we are in the last step.
Yes, we are in the last. You are right. Yes.
Yes, yes. So, Mike, it was a little late for me.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Sorry, Suya. Yes, it's.
yes, yes. So here,
Yeah. Sorry for that. So yes, we stop here. Okay, and
yes,
I will
please,
try. Yeah, I will try something, and I think like tomorrow we can maybe connect shortly, and then just to make sure it's to make sure everything's fine. But anyway, we finished like 95%.
yes,
Right?
yes. You can do the remaining part. Actually, it was very simple. You just deploy it, add that, try to do. So what you do, just add the same jar here. So after adding the jar, you just do deploy. You can read the text. It will be very easy. So after deploying, the
Sure.
application. For
Yeah,
that,
sure.
you just use the URL. That's it.
Sure.
It will be
Sure.
yes.
Thank you very much. If there is any issue, then like tomorrow we can maybe
We'll
connect like 10 minutes. Yes.
Yes.
Into but I think it's fine. I will do the rest like by myself.
Yes, yes. Okay. I think it's easy, right? Mike, okay, fine.
Yeah. I will let you know like tomorrow. Yeah. And so anyway. Okay. Have a good night, Suya. Bye.